Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be changing the oil on my Harley. Let's get her done. First step is going to be to remove the oil drain plug. Don't forget to check and clean your drain plug magnet. While we're waiting for the oil to drip down, I'm going to go ahead and remove the return line from the engine. That way I can purge all of the dirty oil in the engine. To remove your return line, the first thing you want to do is pop up this chrome piece that exposes the plastic clip. Now, so you want to be able to move this line, go ahead and remove the little plastic retainer in the bottom, just like that. That'll give you flexibility in the line. So now to remove this clip, all you gotta do is press on the back one and on the top one and pull as you do it. And the line should come out, just like that. Now let's go grab that little rubber seal. I don't know if you all can see. Make sure you do not lose the rubber seal. So now that the engine is done dripping oil, go ahead and put your drain plug back in. I always use a flange sealant. That's kind of a compound that never dries and it seals from any oil that could maybe leak. Go ahead and unplug your spark plugs. So we just removed the spark plug wires. We're going to go ahead and fill this up with 1 liter of oil. I'm going to crank the engine about 10 times and it's going to make the new oil reach the filter. Once that's done, I'm going to change the oil filter and I'm going to crank her again until the clean oil comes out of the return line. That way you know you got clean oil through your engine. Let's get it done. So that's about 2.5 quarts. So I'm going to crank the engine a couple times. Just look at the color of the oil coming out. Now we're going to go change the filter. Hey, just so you guys know, the best rags for cleaning your stuff is your girlfriend's shirts. She loves it. Alright, I changed the filter. Now I'm going to go ahead and crank it until the oil that comes out of here is fairly clean. Alright, once the engine oil that's coming out is fairly good color, because you won't get it perfect, trust me, I tried it, go ahead and put your return line back in. Don't forget to put the seal we removed from in the hole there back onto the hose. Don't forget to put your little plastic clip back on, like that. And keep on filling it until it reaches a full mark. Alright, this is the only way of doing it and making sure that you have new oil through the engine. That way your old oil doesn't contaminate the new oil you put in, and it's just better for the bike. So till then, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.